This is Judge Rusty Johnston for Armed Alabama. Occasionally you may be driving in the car and have the urgent need to use lethal self-defense on some individual that may be stopping your car with a gun or a knife. The easiest way to do it while still taking control or keeping control of your automobile is to, dominant hand is the right hand, so I keep my left hand on the steering wheel, right hand on either the accelerator or the brake pedal. Then I draw from my side holster, come out, put the gun, my right forearm over my left arm, pop out, fire like that. Now we'll try it with a paintball gun, which will add a little realism. We stop. This fellow has a gun pointed at us. Put the gun over there, fire. And we've used lethal force correctly. We hadn't had a wreck, and nobody else has been hurt. This is Judge Rusty Johnston for Armed Alabama, reminding you to practice your shooting modes as often as you can.